So what's up, guys? Welcome back to another Scratch tutorial this time. It's been a little while since I made a Scratch tutorial, but I'm going to show how to add some more stuff to the pen shooter project here. So let's just jump right into the video. I'm going to make the bullets be able to hit the shapes and stuff, and maybe add the health bars. We'll see. So first thing, I'm going to make a variable called score. I can't remember if I have one already. I guess I don't. So then in the reset, we're going to set score to be 0 because we died. So then what we're going to do is go into the bullets, and let's just make the bullets delete when they hit the shapes. So what I'm gonna do is just get a when I start as a clone, I think. Sorry. So yeah, I'm just gonna actually add it into this. I forgot. We already have the bullets deleting. Sorry, it's been a while since I've looked at this project. So we're gonna go into the shapes now, and we're just gonna say when I start as a clone, then forever, we're just gonna say if, and then we're gonna say if we're like gonna be touching if we're touching like the bullets. So we're gonna say if, and then touching bullets data, or just bullets in this case. In my other project it was bullets data. And then we're gonna say another if, and we're gonna say item clone ID, and sorry if you hear somebody downstairs. Item clone ID of of shape transparency, so it hasn't already started to fade. Or do we have? I keep forgetting we haven't done that yet. So we haven't actually done that yet. So I'll just say of shapes dead equals. Well, actually no. Item clone ID. We haven't made like a thing for that, so I'm just gonna say item clone ID of shapes dead instead, because I was looking at my other project to remember how to do this part, and it was like I have add transparency so they would fade, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that in this, so we're just gonna say if it equals n, is that what if it equals no, sorry, it's been a while since I looked at this, so I'll just try to speed it up a bit though. So if it equals no, then we're going to change health, if we have a health. We don't have a health in here yet, so I think we're gonna say make a new variable called health, I guess. Yeah. Okay, we need a new variable called health for this sprite only. And then we're going to in the clone setup, we're going to set health to be item of health, so just change this to be of shapes health. And then we're gonna, in here we can keep updating the shapes health with our new health, so because when we make the health bars, and then we're just gonna say change health by, and then by the damage, if there's a damage, I don't know if we have a damage yet. Let's see. I guess we can make a new one. Well, unless we have it in the list. No. So, okay, now we have a damage variable, and we're going to say damage times -1. Then we're going to go into the pen and set up this damage variable. So let's go ahead and set the damage to be, I don't know, 5, I guess, for now. So let's go to damage and set it to 5. And then, I don't know what we set the shape's health to, but we can go and say, so is this adding anything to the shape's health? Okay, so we're not actually adding anything to shape's health yet. So let's go ahead and add thing to shape's health. And we can add, we also need a shape's max health list. So we'll add something to both of those. So then what we're gonna do is just say, since there's only one type right now, then we're just gonna set it to be, like, if it's 5, we can just say like 20, and do this both to 20. And let's actually set this to be shape's max health, just to be safe. Then we can make a variable for the max health. Well, actually, I don't think we need that. So yeah, and then we're gonna say a wait until, so it doesn't just like go crazy and just change it by a bunch. We're gonna say wait until not touching the bullets. Then let's test if the shapes, it's showing, if the shapes, whoops. Okay, let's see if there's any shapes here. I don't see any shape, wait, what? Just did this weird thing, but anyways, that doesn't matter. Let's just see if we can find, I don't think there's any, oh, there. So now they're spawning. And we can, I don't think they are deleting yet, so let's just, oh, why are there 2 shapes dead? Yeah, we should make this delete all of shape's max health. And yeah, so does it only work sometimes? I don't know. It's running. Okay. So it doesn't know to delete yet, I'm pretty sure. So let's go ahead and go into the to this. We're gonna say if, and then our health is less than 1, which would mean we are dead. So let's get the health. Then we're going to say we're gonna say, well, let's just go ahead and just delete it for now, and we can add an effect maybe later. So we're just gonna say delete this clone, and then before that we're gonna say replace item of shapes dead, so it knows not to draw it, with yes, and we will get the clone ID. So now let's just test if the shapes can, here, maybe I'll just get a, once I clicked hide, to make that work better. And then let's try this again. And now they delete. So now let's make a little effect for that. I'm gonna make a new list called shapes transparency. And then what we're gonna do is, of course, delete all of this right here. So delete all of shapes transparent. Oh wait, that's bullet transparency. Shapes transparency, and we're gonna add thing to shapes transparency here. Oh, nope, that's bullets. And we're gonna say like 0. Then we're gonna do here is put a little repeat, and it's just gonna repeat shares like 10 times. That sounds good. And we're just gonna go and basically do what we did here. So just duplicate all of this, put it in here, and then we're gonna say replace item of shapes transparency with the item of shapes transparency plus, and since we're using 10 times, it'll take 10 to get to 100, which is when it can't be seen. So we'll say item clone ID of it plus 10. So this, and then this should be working. I'm just gonna go ahead over here and change this to be shapes transparency equals 0, just so it won't keep getting into like negative health and stuff. So then let's just go into the pen and make a adjustment to the draw shapes block. We're gonna say I'll just do this. We're gonna say set the pen transparency right here. Whoops. Why is it doing that? Okay, that's weird, but set the pen transparency to be the item I of shapes transparency, and then just do the same thing. I don't know what's going on here, but okay. And then we click the flag on one, and now they delete. So now what we should add, which I almost forgot, is to just go ahead and right here before they delete, we can say change score. So change score, and I don't know why it's doing this now. Just a second, I'm gonna try to change that. Okay, so I fixed that weird thing where it was like not showing the blocks that were being dragged, but so anyways, I'm back. So now if we show the score variable, oh wait, I don't think I did that yet. Yeah, I forgot to do that. Okay, so go back into the shapes and go down here and change score, and let's just try saying change score by item clone ID of shapes max health. So however much health they had at the beginning, that's how much score we get. Oh, I'm not used to this. I changed the setting that I wasn't trying to. Just a sec. Alright, so I changed it. So then we're gonna just put this in here, and let's try showing the score variable, and let's see if we can get any score when we shoot the shapes. I just missed. Okay, so now we have 20 points, and that is good. That is how I wanted. So now we have this. So yeah, I don't know if I have time to make the health bars. So yeah, I think I'm gonna save that for the next video. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. So thank you. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.